I'm Jenny from This World Is Not Our Homestead, and today I'm going to teach you how to make hot honey, or spicy honey, depending on how you call it. The ingredients are super simple, and there are only 4 of them. You're going to need honey, vinegar, vanilla, and a pepper powder, like cayenne or whatever else you have on hand. Okay, to start, you put 1 cup of honey into a bowl or a measuring cup or something like that. I'm gonna take the lid off because that spout would be slow pouring. Alright, now that you have a cup of honey, you need 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Most of us probably have cayenne pepper in our cabinets we can use, but I'm using my ahi mango pepper powder from my ahi mango peppers that I grew this past summer. I'm also going to need a tablespoon of vinegar, and I have used kombucha in place of vinegar before, so if you want to do that, you can, but if not, any type of vinegar is good. This is raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it, but you could use white vinegar. Just use whatever you have. You need 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and if you wanted to substitute some other alcohol, you could, but I love vanilla just because it smells so good. But you could use rum or whatever you have in your cabinets. All right, they are all in the measuring cup, and now I'm just gonna stir it up until it's mixed in really well. Once it's all incorporated in, the texture is uniform. Oh, it is so beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. This stuff is so good. All right, I have saved some maple syrup jars to store it in, and they're really good for gifting, which is actually what this one is for. Here's my jar, and then here's a gifting jar. I've got a few more in the cabinets too, but you just need a funnel. It could be metal, it could be silicone, whichever. And then we fill it up. It's so pretty. And this recipe is so simple. It will need to be shaken sometimes. It seems like the pepper powder tends to kind of float back to the top, but you can just shake it up before you use it in something. And if you're not sure what to use it with, I use it anywhere I would normally use honey, like on biscuits or in yogurt. It's delicious. Oh no! It's overflowing. Okay. All right, this one is full.
What happened? Really big one?
It's so pretty.
How many?
Let me see if I can show you the lighting a little bit better. Let's see. Look. Isn't it beautiful? Look at all the bubbles. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. And that's it. This is done. Totally done. It's ready to sit in your cabinet. It does not need to be refrigerated. It makes an excellent gift, and I love to keep it on hand for myself. Let me know how you like it if you give it a try. You need help? For German.
I'll be back.
There you go, buddy.